Hi, good afternoon. My name is Jamie Farfan, and my group number is this. I'm going to defend the statute of the protecting and evaluating and innovation. And the most of use choose 3D printing as our main technology. And I'm going to explain intellectual property and sensibility report. Um, mm, um, like introduction, and we had 3D printing is a fast-growing technology that builds three-dimensional objects from digital files. It has moved beyond prototyping to become a practical manufacturing method in many industries. Its ability to customize and produce reduce production time and cut material waste make it an attractive innovation to evaluate. In this stage 2 activity, 3D printing is used a case to apply concept of intellectual property, technology, feasibility, risk analysis, and access protection, in order to design a practical plan for commercialization. Um, like the objects, and we had the object general and evaluate 3D printing technology to propose a clear plan for its protection, risk management, and commercialization in industrial environments. Like the objects, specific objects, we had one, identify two types of intellectual property protection and applicable to 3D printing, and two, analyze its technical feasibility, advantage, and potential industrial application. Three, access financial, technical, and market risk and suggest strategies to minimize them. And four, and decide on a strategy for maintaining patents, license, and technology transfer. Five, prepare a creative execute report with visual and audio elements to present the group findings. Well, go to the next page. In this page we have step 3 about the guy, and we will be reviewing 3D printing intellectual property protection strategy. And here we have the types of protection, and we apply for the situation and the printing, 3D printing. And one, patent, an original printer and design in new materials or printing methods developed, and register copyrights for digital models and software generated. And three, keep trade secret for sensitive know-how, unique settings, and quality control procedures. And four, register trademarks for the company, service name, and logo. Draft listing and agreement and to share design or software with partners under 3 conditions. This is the reference. Sorry. we're still occupying the step 3, and we will see the legal obstacles, and some materials or processes may already be patented, and copyrighted models need licenses to print or sell. Safety regulation limits on private parts and health and aerospace sectors. And the step 4 and spoken and technological feasibility evaluation. According to the Guía de Comercialización de Conocimiento y Tecnología from the Columbia Superintendence of Industry and Commerce in 2024, 3D printing is already technically viable in maybe industry. It allows high customization, faster prototyping, and less material waste than traditional manufacturing. Main applying areas include healthcare, construction, aerospace, fashion, and to the jewelry and automatic. Sorry. Excuse me. And ready, we'll go to the next page, and in this occasion we had the step 5, and according to investment risk analysis and qualitative tool risk matrix probably versus impact. The probability and risk and high initial cost of printers, and probability high, impact high, level high, and limited materials, medium, high, medium, slow production for mass use, medium, regulatory barriers and key sectors, medium, high, medium. In qualitative tool sample scoring, 1 to 5 scale. The criterions and financial risks, score 4, and technical risk 3, market regularity risk 3, average risk scores 4, more 3, and divide 3, and final result, and this is 3.
Hello teacher, hello student, good day. My name is Daniel Andrés Díaz Parra. I study Ingeniería Industrial. Next, I'm going to explain 3 aspects of the activity my teacher Oscar Cepeda. This is 3 investing risk analysis, mitigant stresses. 1, 2, 3. 1 disease is forms partnership or licensing exchange to reduce initial investment. Invest in R&D of new materials and faster prints. 3. Prepare regulator compliance plan to reduce legal delays. Next. Protection and management strategy for installation assets. For 3 3D printing and common strategy of intellectual property protection and marketing is recommended. This is 4. Patents, trademarks, copyright licenses, trade secrets. Next, protection and management strange for internet assets. Technology transfer claim. This is offer licenses for digital design, bowl partnership with industrial sector, and province training and support to claims to ensure proper adoption. Clearing managed the ownership of patents, licenses, and commercial engrams to avoid disputes and conflict with best practice. This is my reference. Thank you very much.